Guys, today we are doing Math G.1. So I'm just going to go over how to do it. You can either click on the link in Google Classroom or come over to IXL, go down to G, and then it is going to be the very first one where it says write variable expressions. So you're going to click on that one. Remember, IXL randomly generated, so your questions are going to look different. Different than mine, most likely. All right. So today we are writing expressions. So that means we need to make sure we have a full expression. It says write an expression for m fewer than 269. Now, if I ever get stuck and I don't want to watch a full video, I can also click Learn with an Example up here, and it will show me that it doesn't need an equal sign because it's an expression, not an equation. And it also shows me, here's the question, here's the answer, so I know what I'm doing. So if I have m is my variable, 269 is the one number I have, and then my keyword is fewer. Well, fewer is the same as less than, so that must mean that it's 269 and then m fewer, so minus m. Let's go ahead and put that in and see if we got it right. So we have 269 minus m. I'm going to hit submit. We got it. You don't have to capitalize these. You can use lowercase, but you do have to write everything in, and I didn't include spaces. So this time we've got total. Ooh, that's a good keyword. Total. And it says total of 87 and p. Doesn't sound like there's a lot of p's, it just sounds like one. So that would just mean total means I'm either going to be adding or multiplying. And then since it's only one time, I know it's going to be adding. So I have 87 plus p. All right, so I come over here. I type in 87, and then the sign that says plus, it comes up as equals. So what I'm going to have to do is delete that. I'm going to click the shift key and hold it down while I hit plus, or I hit that same equal sign. So 87 plus p. Hit submit. We got it. Let's do another. Write an expression for 170 and g more. Okay. So 170 and g more. Okay. That must mean I have 170 to start, and I add g to it to figure out my total. Once again, I'm going to click 170, hold that shift key, click the equals and plus one, tap plus, and then have g. We'll do one more all together. Write an expression for a reduced by 96. Remember, we've been talking about reducing fractions, and that was making the numbers from bigger numbers to smaller numbers. So what this is saying is I'm going to make it smaller. A reduced by 96. A must be my big number, and then I'm making it smaller by 96. I type A minus 96 equal. Perfect. Sometimes if you say these out loud, it makes it easier. You guys are going to do really well with this as long as you talk it through and write down all of your key information. All right, bye.